Hello, welcome to my absolute kitchen. Today we are cooking curried chickpea, which is very good recipe, especially for those who are vegetarian or vegan. Chickpea is high in protein and the sauce is very versatile. Let's go cooking, shall we? You need onion. You need 2 potatoes, you need 2 garlic cloves, you need 2 slices of ginger and cilantro that we will use later for garnish, and curry powder and 1 can of chickpea. Okay, the first thing we do is put my onion in my pot, and we will just wait until the pot is really hot. And we will saute the onion with 1/3 cup of oil for about 10 minutes. Could be sunflower, could be peanut, could be any oil you like. So we'll put 1/3 of oil. In the meantime, while our onion gets sauteed, so we will cube our potatoes. Cut them in like this and cube the potato. Very simple. So the reason we add the potato is to make the sauce thick. So we don't want our sauce to be runny. So we'll just put them at the side. So I'm gonna chop next the garlic and ginger. Chop them very finely, however you like. I personally like a lot of garlic. And don't forget to stir your onion once you start smelling and then getting a little bit brown at the bottom of the pot. Perfect and ready for the potato to go in. So now I'll be putting my potato. You fry your potato with the onion, say about another 10 minutes. So halfway we add our garlic ginger chopped together. And then we mix everything. So while the potatoes kind of get cooked, we will drain our chickpea. By the way, if you prefer the dry one, if you soak it overnight and then the next day just boil it first. Okay, so now I drained my chickpea and then I will rinse it. Make sure you rinse it very well. So all the water is out. So now we add our chickpea. I give it a good stir so you can get all the flavor of everything in this pot. So I have 1 tablespoon of curry powder, but if you like more, you can add more. For me, I think it looks good. Very nice and yellow. So we start with half teaspoon of salt. Okay. Just add a little water once in a while. So we'll leave it like this another 5 minutes. So now I will start with 1 cup of water. If we need more, we can add more. Yeah, we need a little bit more. I'll add 2 cups of water. So that will give you enough sauce. If you like more gravy, you can always add more water, but make sure it's not too watery. So once your potatoes are ready, then we can turn off our stove. Okay, as you can see, our curried chickpea sauce is cooking nicely. Once the potatoes cooked well, Let it simmer another 10 minutes. And looks like our chickpeas ready. As you can see, the water is low and the sauce is thicker and the potatoes well cooked. So just for another flavor at the end, we can add about 4 sprigs of cilantro. Just drop it, and then your curried chickpea is ready. Curried chickpea is very versatile, so you can eat it with anything you like. So today I am actually eating it with rice, brown rice I prepared ahead of time. And I'll add some salad on top of it, and then there's some kale I prepared, so you can add anything you like. Okay, so this is the end result. This is what it looks like. You can add any kind of hot sauce, chili garlic sauce, sriracha sauce, anything you like. Oh my god, this is so good. So good, so healthy, loaded with all kind of vitamins, proteins, you name it. Hope you enjoy this cooking. And most importantly, let me know how you liked my curried chickpea. See you next time in my absolute kitchen with different kind of food. Thank you. Enjoy.